people. The ambassador, flow subliminal, original B-boy, still got paid. Rock for the people, killing that stage. Classic, need us a pen and a pad. The ghetto is hot, boxes fighter hot out of whole back. Just chill. You know who I'm better than. Brand new flow with a soul of a veteran. Damn, she looking like a flashy type. I'll be damned if I let her go past me, right? Cause I remember coming from the bottom, it's hot at this bottom. When none of the labels won't sign, and better to press rewind. Throwback rhyme, and said I'd have lost my mind, belonged in a silo. Word? You ever seen a stereo head? Click, 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 blah. Not a stereo dad. To the left like Riddick, forward with a flow that's real, not gimmick. The rag gold green block star authentic. LeBron James, when you watch lanes, I did it. Now when the last time you saw this militant B-boys really pump that fist, set a party in a party till you bump that bliss. I deserve to win an Oscar, picture this. I grew up on the corner of a cross, say they shit, ain't no running water, never had electricity. Now I'm the true leader of the brand new school, but my crews never followed by the rules. You in the backseat of a taxi, getting flashed by the paparazzi. The price of the fortune and fame, we all losing our minds, who's insane? You.